Good morning. In this session, we are going to see a topic on coal handling from the subject Me8792 Power Plant Engineering from the Unit 1 Coal Based Thermal Power Plants. Coal handling is also called as a fuel handling system. Fuel handling system. There are three types of fuel handling system. In that we are having a type of fuel such as coal, gas, oil are commonly used in thermal power plants. However, coal is used in a main fuel. Coal handling is a very important factor in power plant. Coal handling is done by two ways: out plant handling of coal and in plant handling of coal. The out plant handling of coal is done by transportation by sea or river, transportation by ropes, transportation by rail, transportation by road, transportation coal by pipelines, etc. The various steps involved in coal handling are coal delivery, unloading, preparation, transfer, outdoor storage, covered storage, in-plant handling, weighing and measuring, and feed the coal into furnace. Coal delivery. Coal from the supply points is delivery to the power station by the way of sea transportation or by pipeline transportation by trucks. If the power plant is situated near the sea or river, the coal is transferred through a ship or boat, whereas the coal is supplied by rail or trucks to the power plant which is situated away from the sea or river. However, the truck transportation is rarely used. It is used only when there is no railway facility available. The transportation through sea is cheaper than the rail route. Unloading. The requirement of unloading equipment depends on the type of coal received at power station. If it is by truck, there is no need of unloading equipments. It means the unloading is done by cranes, car shacks, grab buckets, by coal accelerators, etc. Preparation. The coal cannot be in proper size when it is delivered in form of big lumps. The preparation of coal can be achieved by scissors, crushers, and breakers. Coal transfer. After preparation, coal is transferred to the coal storage by means of following systems: belt conveyor, bucket conveyor, screw conveyor, grab bucket elevator, flight conveyor, and skip hoist. Outdoor storage. It is essential to have sufficient storage of coal in thermal power plant to meet the requirement during delay or interruption of coal supplies, when there is delay in transportation of coal or due to strikes in coal mines. The coal can also be purchased when the price is low and stored. There are two types of coal storage. One is covered storage and next one is a dead storage. Covered storage is also called as live storage or boiler room. Covered storage. This type of storage supplies coal to plant for day-to-day usage. Bunkers are normally diamond-shaped cross-section storage area made up of steel or reinforced concrete. Dead storage. This type of storage supplies coal. There is a shortage of coal in plant due to failure of normal supply of coal. This is a long-term storage and 10% of annual consumption. The dead storage of coal is to prevent shutdown of power plant in case of failure of normal supplies of coal due to coal strike, failure of transport system. Site selection for coal dead center. If the storage area should be free from standing water, handling cost should be minimum. Air may be circulated freely through the pile for proper ventilation to keep temperatures low. Piles should be dressed to prevent entry of rainy water. Conical piling should be avoided. Side of pile should not be steep. In-plant handling. In-plant system conveys coal from live storage to furnace. This system includes various material handling systems such as belt conveyor, screw conveyor and bucket elevators. Weighing and measuring. To measure the quantity and weigh the coal, weighing larges, hoppers and automatic scales are used to weighing the quantity of coals. Weighing and measuring equipments. A weight bridge are used for weighing measuring the lorries. Furnace. The furnace is used to burn the coal for producing heat energy required for boiler. Coal preparation. There is uncrushed coal and the coal crusher is there and the vibrating separator for separating the uncrushed and crushed coal, and there is a belt conveyor. You can see in the diagram. Belt conveyor rotates the coal into a closed coal storage. There is a hot gas is getting outside and the cold hot gas is also getting inside for a circulation purpose. And there is a belt conveyor which will be given to the bucket elevator, then the storage hopper. Coal transfer equipments. There are belt conveyor, screw conveyor, bucket elevators, grab bucket elevator, skip hoist and the flight conveyor. These are the topics we are seeing above. Belt conveyor. Belt conveyor is suitable for transporting large quantities of coal. The belt is made of rubber or canvas. Maximum inclination is 20 degree. Running speed of the belt conveyor is 400 to 500 rpm. Screw conveyor. It consists of endless helical screw fitted to the shaft. The driving mechanism is connected to one end of the shaft and the other end of the shaft is supported and enclosed bearing. The maximum capacity of conveyor is 125 ton per hour. The diameter of the screw varies from 15 cm to 50 cm. It is a simple and compact conveyor. It requires minimum space and it is cheap. Bucket elevator. Bucket elevator is used for lifting coal vertically. It consists of buckets fixed to the chain and the chain moves over two wheels. The coal is carried by the bucket at the bottom and it is discharged at the top. Maximum height of elevator is limited to 30.5 meter and the maximum capacity of bucket elevator is 60 ton per hour and inclination is limited to 60 degree. Grab bucket conveyor. The grab bucket conveyor lifts as well as the transform the coal from one point to another. It can be used with a crane or tower. Its capacity varies from 60 tons per hour and the distance travel is 60 meter and the transfers nearly 100 tons per hour. This system requires less power for operation and requires minimum maintenance. The initial cost of system is high but operating cost is less. Ship hoist. It consists of vertical or inclined hoistway. The bucket or a car sits on the hoistway and guided by the frame and a cable for hoisting the bucket. Flight conveyor. It is used for transferring the coal when filling the number of storage bins situated under the conveyor. It consists of one or two stands for a chain to which the steel scrubber or flights are attached. Thank you.